I'm at Conexpo on the Perkins stand with Dustin Childers, who's the Global Marketing Manager for Perkins. Dustin, we're at the show the first day here, and I know that Perkins has been doing a lot to try and address the particular needs of rental companies.
Right.
Can you explain what you've been doing?
Yeah, so thanks for the time, Murray. So rental is a really important part of our business, and understanding what rental companies need is paramount in order to be successful with our OEM partners as well. So one of the things that we've done is we've set up the Perkins Rental Support Program that allows our rental companies to be able to have easier access to tooling, training, direct warranty submission, aftermarket parts delivery. It all works inside the ecosystem that they currently have today. What we're trying to do with that is really how do we make doing business with Perkins and doing business with our OEM partners easier. We understand that uptime, reliability is paramount in the rental business. And so the Perkins Rental Support Program is really built around ensuring that the rental companies themselves have the most capable opportunity to own and operate their fleet and be as reliant or self-sufficient as they need to be, and can partner with us in order to make sure that they're meeting their needs of their rental fleet.
And is that targeted at larger rental companies in North America and Europe, or is it something that's of use to all sizes of rental companies?
Yeah, good question. So it's really a program that can be tailor-made regardless of the size of the rental company. Some of the larger rental companies have a larger infrastructure, and so they can be maybe more self-sufficient, whereas some of the smaller rental companies may need more of the distribution network that we provide through our Perkins partners and second-level dealers to be able to support them in their needs. So it can be tailor-made how they see it, and that's really one of the pluses of the Perkins Rental Support Program.
And is it a global program, or is it just in North America and Europe?
Yeah, it's a good question. It's a global program. We understand the rental industry is continuing to grow. We started it in North America 2 years ago. We've moved it to EAME, and then we're looking to move it into Asia as well. But really, it's a program that can be tailor-made to whatever the market is.
Obviously, when it comes to power sources, there's lots of discussion about new power, hybrid solutions or electric.
Right.
And diesel's in the mix, obviously, as well. When you're talking to rental companies, what are you hearing from them about how quick a transition they're going to make to different fuel, different power sources? What are they telling you?
Well, I think what they're looking at is, how do they meet the market requirements, right? And that's obviously going to be different depending on the size of the rental company and then what markets they play in. So right now, I think they're just trying to explore all the above options, right? And we're working with them as well as with our OEM partners to try to make sure that we've got the right technology to allow us to fit their needs as well as their end user customer needs.
All right. So I understand that you're showing some hybrid concepts at the show. Can you explain what they are?
Yeah, so we've got 3 hybrid concepts. We launched or demonstrated them at Bauma in 2019. We brought them here at ConExpo as well. There are 3 hybrid concepts: are electric hybrid, a hydraulic hybrids, and a mechanical hybrids. And what we feel like is that depending on the OEM and their end user needs, there may be a multiple different solutions that are required to fit those needs. And so these are just 3 of the concepts that we know that we can execute with our OEM partners. And what we want to try to do is to make sure that we've got the right solution to meet their requirements. Some of those may differ quite widely depending on the market they're trying to enter into. And so that's why we're looking at 3 different concepts here.
And will all 3 concepts eventually come to fruition, or you're not sure exactly which ones you'll go into commercial production with?
I think it really depends on our OEMs, right? So what are OEM requirements? What are they looking to accomplish? And once we understand that, then maybe one solution, maybe all 3 solutions, maybe a different solution.
Yeah, but we're talking years down the line for them to be commercially realized?
I think it depends on how quickly they're looking to get to market. Right, so we can develop that alongside with them, and that's really what we do. That's one of the powers of the Perkins brand is really about collaboration, right? Ensuring that we're walking beside with our OEMs and ensure that we've got the right solutions for them.
Dustin, thank you very much.
Yeah, I appreciate it. Thank you.